Which sentence has an incorrect form of a verb? Verbs tell us a lot about when a sentence takes place. For example, I went tells us this event took place in the past. I go tells us it's happening currently. I will go happens in the future, etc. With this in mind, let's go through our choices and see if the verb tenses match up with when their sentences are taking place. A. Sentence 1. It all goes away last spring. The ballet, the Philharmonic, stand-up comedy, concerts, our beloved Broadway. Our verb here, goes, is in the present, while the rest of the sentence goes on to tell us that this happened last spring, meaning our verb should be in the past, and our sentence should read, it all went away last spring. As this seems to be our answer, we could just go ahead and mark this as our answer now, but if we'd like to be cautious, we can check out our other choices as well. B. Sentence 8. Most of the shows will be free on a first-come, first-served basis. Our verb here, will be, is in the future tense. And this fits with our narrative, as we see this passage as talking about an event that will occur in the future, as we see from sentence 2, which tells us that with warmer weather on the horizon, New Yorkers will be treated to the art they love in 2021. As this is also in the future tense, we can see that all is in order here, and we can mark this choice as incorrect. C. Sentence 11. We are all feeling very much like we want to do our part in that recovery. The verb are feeling is in the present continuous, meaning ongoing, which makes sense given our context, where there's a group of people that has been working on something, but there's still more work to be done. Based on this can be marked as incorrect. And D. Sentence 12. So that's been our general thinking. That has been is in the present perfect continuous tense. This is used when describing something that happened in the past but is still ongoing, which we see makes sense when we take a look at the context and see that the speaker is discussing the thought and decision-making process that led to the project being formed. They're continuing to refer to this thought process as they navigate setting up the project. This being the case, we can mark this choice as incorrect, and we can mark our original answer, choice A, as our final answer.